How should you brush your teeth while wearing braces? It's our goal to get rid of the plaque that accumulates around teeth and brackets. Angle brush bristle for 45 degrees downward and move it in a circular motion carefully, and keep moving ahead to clean all your teeth. Then angle the brush upward and do it again for all your teeth. Brush underneath the arch wire between each two brackets by moving the interdental brush up and down. Floss between each two teeth. Slide floss back and forth several times and make sure you clean below the gum line.